All right, people, back in the garage. That's where we are. Time for a bit of a catch-up update, see what we're up to, what we're doing. And this video will hopefully be a bit of a collaboration with you guys because, to be fair, mate, I am actually running out of ideas of what to do on this Hyper. I am getting stuck. Let's just do a quick recap of all the shit that's on the bike. As you all know, got loads of Gucci stuff. We got the full TIs, suspension's all done. I got my crazy sump guard that everyone seems to love and want to do. Obviously running my winter Pirelli tyres. And there's fuck all else happening around the front here. So I've got my lovely Oz RSA Ford gas wheels and my Brembo discs. I actually had to get some more nuts because look at them, look how brand new they are. Look how fucked that one is, especially this one. Look at it, it's just got minced. So constantly taking it on and off for the track days last year has pretty mangled it. So I actually got a replacement of these. Tyres are in my nice little blankets. These will go on for some track days. Obviously got my dry kit, big saddle bag, 600 tank bag, a little battery booster, and obviously that ODB fault code reader thing works. So that's a bit of a bonus. But now it's like, what do I do next? I was first thinking these mirrors. I saw the ones on the Monster SP in one of my other videos, and the Monster SP ones look much better. But then there's also these Rizoma Stealth ones that look proper Gucci when they look folding flat and then they flip out. So that is something that I could do. I don't like biro mirrors, guys. They're just not for me, man. I just think they look shit. Sorry. I also thought about getting maybe a Jet Prime kill switch. I used to have one on my Yamaha R1, my track bike. But obviously, you don't need a key when you're going to track days. But I still need the key. I still need that. This Jet Prime does work with a key, but in security insurance, I'll have to check into that. But something else that just makes life a little bit easier. So, a couple of options around here. The Ducati clear case kit system, cover, setup, whatever. I mean, it does look nice. I love the way it looks like when it's spinning, but I'm not a fan of when it's either parked up or left alone or not running and it has the windows all like creamy, like someone's jizzed on the inside and got too excited. I don't like that look. But then I was looking into other options that are out there, and there's that crazy STM dry clutch conversion kit, which gives it the proper rattle that you get in the Street Fighter and the Panigale. That could be an option, but that is some stupid money. It'd be badass on the track. The engine does a little bit less work because it doesn't have to pump any oil through it, and it obviously makes the engine better, reduces a bit of weight. So if I go proper hardcore track season, then that might be an option, but maybe too much for the road. One thing I have done is actually spoken to a few people over in Malaysia who have upgraded this rear O-lint to the proper TTX, and they say it's amazing, which the shock is because it's top of the range O-lint kit found on the latest superbikes. Would it make the bike too stiff, too hard, too bouncy? I mean, like, again, it's another, if I'm going to hammer it on the track, it's probably an option worth taking, but that could be more of a looks thing really, but we'll see. I think I might have to invest in a bit more carbon on the bike. This rear hugger probably could do with a bit of carbon piece. Maybe around here, some more carbon. Not too much. I'm not a massive fan of carbon. I mean, there's bits of it on the bike, but I don't want to overdo it and be a bit of a carbon queen. I mean, I've got the maxi cover swing on, but obviously that's for protection for track days, but I think all it needs, I might get the chain guard one at the back. So a few little carbon touches, I think. Maybe one possible contentious area is, do I get the Giuseppe race kit? The thing I've been banging on about. The bloke doesn't do no dynos or engineering or just no proof, no evidence, just relies on everyone else, and it's all seems like placebo or feeling, whatever. So do I spend the 500-600 euros out of my own pocket, set it all up, go up to BHP UK again, get them to stick it on the dynos, see what it does? Does it make an extra 0.5 BHP over what I've got at the moment? That's another contentious area. So I don't really want to do that, guys, but if there's no fucking videos out there, that's what I'm here for, innit? Answer all these questions. There's little things that I need to do. I need to fix this indicator because it is melted and knackered on one side. Hold on, let me show you. Look at that. Hazards are on. One side is done. I'll probably just get the same kit. I actually like this kit. I don't like any of the other ones with the indicators hanging out the side. They'll just get melted as well. So another replacement I've got to get for these from eBay. I need to do a little bit of maintenance around the back here because look, in there, that rubber piece is completely missing. And obviously this thing comes completely out because that rubber has gone as well. So this is constant taking the rear exhaust on and off, on and off, on and off, but it ain't flying away area. But another thing I got to piss around with, and it's a bit hard to tell using this iPhone camera, but some of my PPF in touches in the corners, probably with me being a bit zealous with the jet wash, it's coming away on some of the edges. So probably need a little visit to Tony James. I know I've got a piece coming away here Look, you know, you can see that. Yeah, so I've spoken to Tony James Designs, and I've got to go down and find out when he's free and reapply some of this stuff. So that should be straightforward, I think. Yeah, I need an SP sticker on the back of the wheel because all the tyre warmers and jet washing has blasted that one off. So I need to get a sticker, or I actually might just take the sticker completely off. I don't know, I'll have to take the front one off then, but we'll see. And just as an update on the AEM rear sprocket kits, this is my second set, which doesn't move now, doesn't have no play. They sent me a replacement one, so just keep an eye on that for you guys. I know one thing I certainly don't need is some more gear, although some of this doesn't match, especially this blue one-piece Alpine stars on the back doesn't match the red Ducati, but I mean the airbag vest, necessary these days. I don't ride without it, and obviously I got my leathers and my touring gear, so all you American boys and you Malaysians, put some fucking clothes on, will ya? Alright, over and out.